The immediate issue is that a lot of these records, we believe, dealt with the State Highway Patrol, which, as multiple media reports have shown, was in some cases used as a private security force by the governor. And the governor did not provide his schedules, he did not provide his travel records, he did not provide contact with the state troopers, and in fact the entire 2005 state trooper records are missing.
Poof.
Yes,
gone.
Disappeared. So, and the reason cited was security, but as my colleague Don Carrington has said, it's as if we say, oh, I'd like to know where the governor was on November 13th, 2005, and that information would not be provided now. And it's not as if we can go in a time machine and go back and do something to change history at that point. So that's very important, and this may tell how often the governor was flying on private planes, what sort of interactions he was dealing with campaign donors. Was he actually leaving the state without telling people? I mean, there are all sorts of stories out there, and these records would provide the documentation of that.
So it would be possible, at least possible, Rick, wouldn't it then, that some of the information in those emails might relate to what has been an investigation by the State Board of Elections into campaign finance issues of the Easley campaign?
That's absolutely the case, and also the federal inquiry that's going forward now, too, because when Governor Perdue released a bunch of records that Easley had sat on through both of his terms, she released a bunch of records this spring, and that's what provided some of the background that we knew about some of the flights he was taking. And also, it may well have provided some of the documentary evidence about what happened with some of his real estate transactions. So this information essentially provides a what, where, and why of the governor's activities as he was serving the people of North Carolina.